The results are startling. A new report finds homelessness in the north has skyrocketed when compared to southern Ontario. The document reveals that housing supply, prevention initiatives, and support systems are not meeting increasing demand. CTV's Eric Taschner has more.
Homelessness in Northern Ontario has increased by 37% from 2024 to 2025, according to a new report which studied Ontario's homelessness data. The rate is much higher when compared to the rest of the province.
Disproportionate would be a reasonable term to describe the numbers between Northern Ontario and Southern Ontario.
A report called Municipalities Under Pressure 1 year later finds that while Northern Ontario represents 5% of the province's population, it now accounts for nearly 10% of all homelessness in Ontario.
There's a lot more collaboration and coordination happening among partners in communities. That being said, I'd be hard-pressed to see any other real progress.
Indigenous people account for more than 40% of homelessness in the north. In just 1 year, the number of people experiencing homelessness in Northern Ontario rose from 5,900 to 8,100.
Investments in the heart hubs is a good first start in the province, but we know that there aren't heart hubs everywhere.
The report finds the crisis is shaped by structural housing shortages, not short-term disruptions like job loss, and that a limited availability of affordable housing hinders people's attempts to get off the streets.
We need to dig deep into those federal, provincial, and local pockets and start building more houses.
We do have a proposed meeting with Rob Flack, who is the Minister of Housing. That would be through NOSDA.
This pressure contributes to longer shelter stays, increased chronic homelessness, and rising system costs across health, emergency, and social services.
All these studies and reports that go back emphasize the system and the problems that we face.
Beyond its human toll, the report also finds homelessness is undermining economic stability. Northern Ontario municipalities are absorbing rising costs for emergency shelters, healthcare, public safety, and encampment response. Eric Taschner, CTV News, North Bay.